Ever since 9/11, the window or the space where we can actually carry a weapon has been diminished. For example, I go into the courthouses frequently. Can't carry a gun, can't even carry a small Swiss Army knife. And the reason that happens is because administrators don't want the security personnel to make a determination as to what's a weapon or not. If it looks like a weapon or could be a weapon, it is a weapon. Areas where you can't carry a gun, schools, courthouses, certainly bars you can't carry a gun into, even if you have a concealed weapons permit.